Hello, classmates and Dr. Sundstrom. This is Nicole Dalton, and this is my week number 6 multimedia discussion board for MPA560, Stat Analysis for Public Administration. The program that I'll be evaluating is the Rancho Cucamonga Fire District's Drowning Prevention Program. This program evaluation is going to be quantitative because it uses numerical numbers to determine whether or not drownings are reduced because of the drowning prevention program in Rancho Cucamonga. This program evaluation is going to be quasi-experimental because researchers have no control over getting residents to willingly participate in the preventative measures of the drowning prevention program. Researchers are also not going to have any control over who becomes a victim or patient of drowning, whether that be a fatal drowning or a non-fatal drowning. So because of this experiment or program evaluation is quasi-experimental. The design proposed for this program evaluation is by conducting a pre-test and a post-test. By conducting a pre-test and post-test, you'll be able to see the statistics of drowning within Rancho Cucamonga prior to the prevention program being implemented and whether or not the number has been impacted positively or negatively once the drowning prevention program has been set in place in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. Another thing that can be implemented into this design is a Z-test, and because the population of Rancho Cucamonga and San Bernardino County as a whole is over 100, I would use the Z-test. And I would be comparing the mean of drownings within the city of Rancho Cucamonga compared to the mean of drownings within the San Bernardino County as a whole. And that's going to allow me to see if the sample mean is statistically different than the population mean as a whole. So that's going to give me a good gauge on where Rancho Cucamonga falls within that spectrum. For this program evaluation, data is going to be collected from two different sources. The first being the Rancho Cucamonga Fire District's EMS administrator will allow me to see the reports for all of the drownings that occur in Rancho Cucamonga. The EMS administrator carries reports which includes the victim's age, location of the drowning, whether or not it was a fatal drowning or non-fatal drowning, and other important data from those reports. The second area that I'll get reports from is Loma Linda University, and Loma Linda University collects data on drownings for all of San Bernardino County, which will help with comparing the data from the population of Rancho Cucamonga to the county as a whole. And lastly, the samples that will be used for this program evaluation are going to be the drowning victims and whether or not these were fatal drownings or non-fatal drownings. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I would really appreciate any feedback that you have for me, and good luck as we get started on our final papers.